Hello guys, we have here this Volvo XC60 came in with the intermittent starting. We diagnosed the problem with the fuel pressure. Everything transpired to go to the fuel pump. Now the problem on this car, the fuel pump cannot be accessed from the top. We had to drop all the exhaust, lower the diff to get to the fuel tank off. When we dropped it off, what we managed to see, the connector was badly damaged. This is the wiring. Apparently it's a known issue on the Volvo. This connector has to be replaced. As you can see, it's been got very hot over the time and got badly damaged, eventually causing a bad connection and fuel pump stopping. Quite an extensive repair, and purely because the access on the pump is not easy. Quite a lot of components have to be removed in order to drop the tank. Like I said, Volvo is aware of this type of issue. They have a modification kit for the pump and the connector. Again guys, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics. One stop for all your vehicle needs.